Best to make sure you have a safe journey. As long as the train keeps moving, we should be in no danger.
Hello everyone. I did a little nighttime hike on the trail. Sadly, it started pouring down rain, so I'm trying to find my car. What? Are you okay?
All aboard the Ghost Train. This is your last chance to change your mind. Casey Bones, let's ride.
No choice, no.
Bro, he gave us like 3 seconds.
Like, no, 15 seconds.
I gotta do it for the meeting.
The Ghost Train. It might be the last time you see this one.
Yay, I'm a werewolf hunter. Here to help. What? No.
The conductor and I commend you on your bravery in leading this safe haven for the dangers of the unknown. Now, the werewolves avoid towns. They prefer the cover of darkness. Those in the forests will be passing through.
I like the context
We've
they
reached
have
the
it.
point of no return. Ghost Train will soon leave the land of humans. No going back. Full scream ahead, Casey Bones. Don't stop for any reason.
Honestly, I might just video the whole ride. The best I can.
I know,
Do you hear that? Werewolves have been alerted by the whistle of the Ghost Train. The scent of fresh blood on board. Werewolf, half man, half animal. Clever creature, ready to kill. Victims. Genius and relentless hunter with an insatiable appetite for human flesh. Did I just see one there in the woods? Yes, we just saw something up ahead. There's some sort of hairy animals are running across the tracks. I'd better slow down and take a look. No, Casey. I wouldn't slow down if I were you. They're rushing toward the engine. Watch out! Oh, they grabbed one of the firemen. I told you not to slow down, Casey. I suggest you push the throttle as far as it'll go. Left the pack behind for the time being, but now that they've tasted human blood, there'll be no stopping them. Mr. Conductor, I know it's dangerous, but we just gotta stop at the mining town and warn poor old Aunt Izzy. She's all alone in that storehouse, and she don't stand a chance against them werewolves. Oh, very well, Casey. But for the sake of our passengers, let's stay for a second longer than necessary.
I can't get a video of the show, so I'm sorry guys, but I'll video the train wreck. Like, not the shows though. Sorry.